Alright, I got another song request for you guys. Song is Imma Be by Black Eyed Peas. Sorry it took me a little bit to put this video up. I've been busy at work and shit. I'm playing it through YouTube. I already listened to it so far. It sounds like it's pretty good. It'll be on 10. And I'll show you guys what I got.
You wanna do? I'ma be up in the main.
It's not bad. Alright, just because I hate this song, I think I'm going to turn it down, but the song does hit pretty nice, I will admit that. I'll be uploading this as soon as I can. Tell me guys what you think. Any other video, just leave a comment, and I'll work on making it. Alright.